Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add the channel by QR code in the Zello app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Zello app. Here it opens up in the context menu. From here we just go into channels. Then we tap on the plus icon in the bottom. And then we tap on scan QR code like this. Then the app is going to open up the camera so we can scan the QR code that is linked to the channel that we want to join. And yeah, it's pretty much that simple. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.